Hey there folks, Jaden here doing a solo recording as Tita and Carl are inside ordering some foods, but today we are at Hope, beautiful Hope, where the most iconic film, Rambo, was taking place. The reason why I know that, have yet to watch it, but it's just because of the fact that everywhere I look at, there's Rambo. So, oh, lost connection right there. It's okay. Well, at first stop, we're at this place called Rolling Pin Bakery. It is very famous from what we Googled, but yeah, we're ordering some good delights and I will give a little tour and see all the goodies for you folks. All right, folks, so here we have Tita and Carl. What Carl's eating right now is a spicy pufosa. Pufosa?
Which is a split between, it's basically a samosa with puff pastry instead of samosa pastry, I guess
It's
you
good
could say.
though.
Yep.
So, and over here we got spicy chicken roll, which is basically like your sausage roll but in chicken.
Something I will divulge in
Yes.
shortly.
Yes. There we go.
And last but not
Go
least,
for
we
it.
also got some apple strudels in here. Something that they're
Apple
very
fritter.
famous. Oh, apple fritters that they're famous for. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. If you ever want to feel like you're getting kissed by the mountains, or hugged, whatever you want to put it, well, welcome to Hope. I say that a lot because this place feels hopeful. Oh, I'm gonna get canceled maybe. We'll see. Since Sylvester Stallone was the main star of Rambo, he has his own dedicated restaurant and bar called Stallone's. I don't know if he owns it, but they dedicated that to his name.
Cinema, like why, what you're doing for,
The community, what I'm doing here. Well, my name is Ali Marsman, and I opened the Hope Cinema. Well, I received my lease and keys on December 2nd. I was hoping to open for its 80th anniversary on December 19th, but we had horrible storms here. So I had a small opening on January 2nd, and then I have my grand opening on the 17th of January. And since then, lots of shows, fundraisers, and documentaries we've had here. As you can see in the cinema, there's lots of instruments. I'm a pianist, so I teach here. Wow. And yeah, I have some, teach students, and I have a host band. And just lots of different things because people don't really enjoy going to the movies so much anymore because there's so many streaming programs. I mean, streaming. What would they be? Streaming. Yeah, streaming. They're able to stream easily.
Online,
Yeah, online, Netflix, all of the different. So I have to make sure that I keep it open using different means. I have a wonderful preschool group that comes here twice a week, and just lots of different things going on. They came for a double feature. I had a couple of different groups in here. Yeah, so we started at 10 o'clock this morning. And so they'll come once a month, which is amazing, and maybe 200 people will come. And from Chilliwack, I have the Chilliwack Opportunity Society. And then Tillicum, who is outside right now, the Brain Injury Society. So they will come and watch movies. I had an elementary school from Kent, Agassiz. They came 151 students for their year end. Birthday parties are a big hit because I have video games. Like I do video games. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. No, I'm from Nova Scotia actually, but I moved here in 2003 to attend, well, my sister was out here, but I also wanted to go to the British Columbia Conservatory of Music to pursue my studies, my piano studies. Yeah. I play piano.
Piano?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much.
Of course, yeah.
So Rambo is very big here, of course, I know.
It is.
It's filmed out here.
Yes, and it's the 45th anniversary this year.
45th.
45th, I know.
I
Isn't that
feel old.
something? Absolutely, right?
Yeah.
So maybe you'll be able to come back in October. I really hope to get Sylvester Stallone here. I didn't want to really say that on
That's okay. You can say anything you want.
on film, but you have to put it out there.
Yeah.
Because every time you type in, anyone types in First Blood, it will always bring up hope.
Hope.
And the cinema will be brought up. So why not just
Exactly.
get him to come here and we'll just do something really fun
so.
and
I think so.
right? I think
So
it would
you
be
hold
amazing.
events here, right?
Yes, sorry.
Okay. Well, hopefully our followers, everyone will know that they can actually have events here. And,
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I even like birthday parties of course, but I'm going to open it up for weddings. I mean, I have a host band and I play piano. You see the beautiful park across the street.
Yes.
And of course, family reunions. If there's no place for anyone to really go, I can host here
Definitely.
for sure. And
do you find that a lot of people who come to your cinema, are they locals or are they like tourists?
more tourists stop in to see because the town people know the cinema already.
Yes.
Yeah, so of course they come to the open house or when I have events and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But the tourists, yeah, definitely. So I love opening my door and having these types of things to give away and
Amazing.
just a little tour and stuff, right?
Nice of you.
Yeah, of course, yeah, it's amazing.
My lips are very chapped from that wonderful popcorn, but that's just because I need chapstick. But other than that, this is the end of the tour in Hope. Last things I'd like to show would be an honorable statue to the person who played as the sheriff in Rambo, from what I'm assuming. I might be wrong, I might be right, I don't know. I should have read that before recording this, but sometimes you just gotta roll with the dough, or Rolio, polio, I don't know, I'm just kind of improvising as I go. But the great part about over here is that we have a Rambo wooden statue, which is something I do know because I did read this when we got here. And I must say, it is fantastic.